Namaste, welcome to Sisrekha's kitchen. Today I am making Karam Boondhi. Karam Boondhi is a spicy South Indian snack mixture. To make Karam Boondhi, I have taken 2 cups of besan. Besan is also called gram flour or chickpea flour. To these 2 cups of besan, I added 1/4 cup of rice flour, some salt, a pinch of baking soda and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix all these dry ingredients first and then add some water slowly to make a loose batter. Mix it well without any lumps. Batter consistency should be like this. It should be in a flowy consistency. Here I have some oil on medium heat for deep fry, and also I have a bigger ladle with holes to make the boondhi. I also have a plate ready with paper napkin to collect the fried boondhi. Take some batter into the ladle and move the batter with your fingers or with another ladle. You will notice the batter is falling into the hot oil like small beads. These small beads are called boondhi. Immediately wipe off the batter on both sides of the ladle, otherwise it gets dried. When the boondhi gets crispy, remove them from the oil. It actually takes less than 1 minute. Look at this boondhi. It came out nice and round, and it is crispy too. Continue with all the batter and wipe off the ladle every time. Sorry, it has too much lighting here. Let me adjust the lighting. Okay, it's better now. When I finish frying boondhi, then I will show the other ingredients. I am frying a few curry leaves. I am frying about half a cup of peanuts. Here is my boondhi ready. Add peanuts to prepared boondhi. Then I am frying about half a cup of roasted chana dal. Now add roasted chana dal. Then I am frying about 1 cup of corn flakes. Fried corn flakes. Now give it a good mix. Let us add some spices. First I added 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder. I freshly roasted about 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds and I ground them in my pestle and mortar with some salt. So I added some cumin powder and salt. Cumin powder will give such a wonderful taste and flavor. Then added the fried curry leaves. Crush the curry leaves by hand so that the flavors will spread all over the boondhi. Now give it a good mix. I need it more spicy, so I added half a teaspoon more chili powder, and you can adjust for your taste. You can add more or less. And I added the remaining cumin powder also. So this is our South Indian Karam Boondhi mixture. Please try this very delicious Karam Boondhi and please give me your feedback. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please visit my Telugu channel also for more recipes. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please don't forget to like my Facebook page. I will meet you with another recipe.